Hi, today I'm going to show our multi-can or multi-van CANbus module. In the previous videos I showed the CANbus gateway with this rotary switch. Okay, with this rotary switch is set in different positions to activate or to work in different cars. Now the same module, now I added the Chrysler Pacifica, and of course we'll follow many cars based on the Chrysler Pacifica, like the Dodge Ram, like the Dodge Journey, Grand Cherokee, and all this. So now, as you can see here in this video, is that the dip switch is set on the F. So F meaning that Fiat Pacifica, that's what it's easier to remember. So once we set this rotary switch to the F position, then it's going to work in the Pacifica. So here is the Pacifica. It's installed in. Okay, so basically it's one module that can do many cars, and today it's installed in the Pacifica. Same thing, I don't want to show all functions, just here we can indicate. So basically we can see the indication here, of course with the steering position indication on the factory. Okay, also for the press and hold this switch, which is the left indicator. So shortly press to indicate, and press and hold to activate the cruise control. Press and go again, so we get this message because we are now setting the speed. So basically, if I turn off here, the cruise is off now. So I press and hold the left indicators button, I get the cruise on, and again press it again, so we get the cruise set. So each time here we press the brake, so it stops, and then each time I press and hold, it gets the so today I added the Mercedes Sprinters, which is support the C class, the S class, and many types of these. And now I added also the Chrysler Pacifica. Here is the dip switch is set on the F position, and the system is up and running. You can use the round devices, joysticks, and also you can use this this RJ12 here, okay, to use low effort switches or any voice scan module. Thank you.